What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka Infiniti, coming to you with another quick video. And this morning, it's the day. We're heading on over to Speed Zone. We're gonna go ahead and get the whole carbon front end installed. And yeah, so let's not hold up too much because I'm already running a little behind with the traffic and everything. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna still do a cold start though. Made there. Speed Zone Kissimmee. Pretty early. Let's go ahead, go in and get checked in. Little clip fitment so far. Looking great. And it came with this little blemish there. Fresh out the box, but it's gonna be wrapped anyway, so not stressing it too much. Alright, not sure if I got it on this camera or not, but we do have a blemish there, but it will be getting wrapped, so it won't be too bad. But yeah, it's the one that I had on, and that's the one that's going on. Let me go over it. Here we go. And then still got the hood over here as well. So that will be going on too. Oh yeah. That's looking good. Much better than if it was the chrome one. Looking good. Alright. Take your time too. But yeah, she is looking good. Not fully done. Still got to hook up the lights in the bumper cells. Yeah, I'm glad the black grill fits. My LED emblem has actually just arrived at the house. Got the notification, so that'll be getting installed here pretty soon. It might be after the holidays, honestly. But whew, she is looking good. There's a couple little things that need to be touched up, but I'm about to hit that in a little bit. Alright, so it's a good time to kind of talk. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna talk when we get out here because the music is playing. Alright, she's done for now. Still got a few things to button up, but for the most part, we are good. Looking great. Yeah, definitely shout out to Speed Zone. Actually, I'm not gonna end the video here. I'm gonna wait until I get the sequential lights fully installed. So I'll wait for that. So yeah, stay tuned for the next clip. All right, so here's the next day. So I don't have everything fully done. There's still some more work that needs to be done. I'm gonna head back to Speed Zone so they can wrap it up. We kind of ran out of time for the day, but overall, love it. Speed Zone did an amazing job, and the fit and finish, it took time, but they definitely killed it. And I was over at Speed Zone Kissimmee. Definitely killed it. But yeah, have this blemish on the fender straight out the box. Then I still have to clean it up because this is adhesive. A couple spots here and there, but overall, loving it. Definitely gonna wrap it. I know a lot of people have been saying PPF and a whole bunch of stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna wrap the car. I'm gonna leave some of the carbon exposed as well, but yeah, it's definitely gonna be pretty dope. And for some reason it didn't come with this part, so yeah, that's awkward. But yeah, we're gonna get it. But this is where she's sitting for now. Let me know what you guys think. And I haven't adjusted anything. Like, it's the same ride height, it's the same air out and all of that. Fits pretty well. So, sheesh. Oh yeah, and also shout out to the homie. Shout out to homie Tito, for the inspiration to get the antlers installed and the nose as well. So got that set up. Actually, I'm gonna throw a link to his Instagram down below, so make sure y'all go show him some love too. His Q50 is pretty dope. But yeah, I'm not gonna extend this one for too long, so let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, yeah, sorry about that. And yeah, if you would like to be selected for comment of the day, leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.